Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to see you again on my channel, and if this is your first time on my channel, I encourage you to check out the rest of the videos and don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So today we'll be doing this pouch, and it's actually not a pouch, it's a shopping bag or a shopping tube, and you can open it and you have your bag. It's very portable shopping bag. Like you see, it's very easy to make. I put all the measurements in the description below. Also, there's a bucket outside here. It's very good for Christmas gift or any kind of gifts you would like. So, and it doesn't take much of materials, neither time. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is all what we need. All the measurements are in the description below. I ironed the bag handle like I'm showing you. I'm also showing you all the items that we will be needing. We will start by the exterior pocket or the pouch. We will fold it into two, right side together. Then find the center to round the edges. If you don't want the edges to be round, you can skip this step. Sew all around and leaving an opening about 4 inches. This opening will allow us to turn it inside out. Snipping the seam allowance just to have a nice curve. Turn it inside out. And put it on the side for now. Measure 3 inches from the top. This is where our pouch will be attached to the bag. Then mark 7 inches on the pouch itself. Then that's where your flap of the pouch will be. Now we will be working on the bag edges and handle. Fold the top 1/8 of an inch and then fold it again about 1 inch. And attach the handle. You can leave 3 inches from each side to attach the handles. It's all up to you. It doesn't have to be the same sizes as I left. Do the same thing to both sides. And this is how it should look like. Now we will do a fringe seam. Basically we're gonna sew from the outside at the very edge on both sides. Now we will turn the bag inside out, and again we will sew the very edge of the bag. We're gonna do this to both sides. And this is how it should look like. Now we are going to fold the bag to add the snap. The cam snap is in the description if you would like to purchase one as well. I put all the details there. And that we should be done. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so you won't miss out of any of my coming videos. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, happy sewing, and see you next time. Bye bye.